I told you in our last class that we are still on HTML quotation. So in our last class we did block quotes, we did quotation, and we did what? Abbreviation. So in this current class, let me put a line break, double line break. Right. So in this class, we'll be looking at first of all, address. Oh, I miss a D. Okay, good. Now, the address has its own unique tag. So to write the address tag, you use what? ADDRESS. Then you close it. Now, let's say we want to write a particular what? Address. So for instance, let's write what? Sorry, number 7, comma, SOLTECH Street. SOLTECH what? Street. You put a line break. This can be useful if you want to write, let me say you want to write an article, and that your article on a web, and that your article requires an address. So you see how the address is written on the browser. The address is written in some sort of slant and unique form. So number 7, SOLTECH Street, beside um okay, Nigeria, Edo. All these are formed, and I'm not using a particular place beside Nigeria, beside Nigerian um tech all, sorry, tech all, then a line break. You put this the city, Lagos, or the state, any which way. Lagos, then the country, Nigeria. So you can put a full stop here, you can put a comma here, yeah, and you can put a comma here. So now when you save and refresh, see what happens. I told you that the address is can be useful when you want to write what? An article, and the article requires some sort of what? Letter. That article, yes, requires some sort of letter. So you can see how it looks like. So with CSS, we can adjust it to this side. We can take it to any what direction of our choice with CSS. But CSS is not for now. That's why we won't be doing that for now. So you can see, you can take it to this side, you can put it anywhere you want. So you can see how the what address what looks like. So the last thing we'll be touching on quotations will be cite. So let me look at this test image I have here. Sorry. Okay, this is the image I have here. I'll be making use of this image now. So this image. Okay, let me see. Sure. Image. Call your image tag. Image is self-closing, as I told you earlier that image tag are what? Self-closing tag. Then put your what? Your source. What is the source? The source is what? Text.jpg, because it is inside the same what? Folder as our what? Index21 dot what? HTML. So next thing you are going to do is type text.jpg. See? Refresh. It can see will be taking, so you can, okay, let me drag this down. It's taking quite some amount of word space, and I'm not really enjoying. Let me see if I can manipulate it. If I cannot manipulate it, I will with HTML, I will just leave it. Just type what? Width. Set the width to like let me say 100. Then height. Set it to like what? 100 too. So you save. Fresh. Okay, good. Okay, let me increase it a little bit. Oh, I forgot to put a line break here. Okay, so if I put a line break, I told you earlier to create what? Some sort of vertical distance between them. You can see it has been pushed towards down. Now let me put it towards some sort of 200. Now I forgot to tell you in your when we did image, don't put too much images on your website. When you put too much image on your website, it slows down the loading of a web page. So it's not advisable to push too much on or unnecessary videos or audios or images on your web page. Good. Now we have this. So to use cite, all you just have to do type a what? A cite tag. Sorry, don't type a cite tag yet. Create a p tag. Then call it what? In that p tag, put a cite tag. So we want to call it what's the name of this wallpaper? Let me just call it black and green. Black and green wallpaper. Then we get this created by Lisa. So when you save, okay, let me take this down. Okay, when you save, you find out that this black and green wallpaper will take a slant form. See, okay, let me drag it down. You can see black and green wallpaper created by what? Asa. I can see that this black and green wallpaper is taking a slant form, while created by Asa is taking normal solid form of words. So but the one you put inside is taking a slant form. So we use this cite to just indicate the name of a particular word. In images we used to indicate the name of the particular image, or let me just say someone writes a book, I want to write the name of the book, like the gods are not to be blamed by Olurotimi also. So that's how we do it. So by now, I guess you should be familiar with HTML quotations. We did block quote, put our code in a block form, then it aligns it to the center. Also, we have the quote. The quote put our content inside the quote into quotation. It's encodes it. Then we have the abbreviation, which helps us to abbreviate our content instead of writing it fully on the browser. We have the address, which indicates a particular place someone lives, and is very nice. And also, last but not the least, we have the site, which everything that is written in the site is slanted, and it gives us the name of a particular picture, or yes, or a particular book that's written by an author. That is a good reference that I can be able to give. So see you next class and have a good day. Bye bye.